Facebook ads has become a thing of the day, and through Facebook ads, a lot of account has been hacked, a lot of account has been hijacked, simply because you give someone your login details to log into your account and run ads for you. But I bring you the good news of another way you can give someone access to run ads for you without giving the person your login details, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make someone an admin. If you have a social media manager, if you want to give someone access to your account to run ads for you, create posts, manage your page, reply DMs and comment without you giving the person your login details. That is what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you how to give someone access to your page without giving the person your login details. That is to say, the person will have full access to your account. So I'll take you down to my phone screen now, where I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Make sure you watch to the end. Note, you cannot make the person an admin on your profile. You will need your page to run an admin. That's the difference between having a profile, a Facebook profile, and a Facebook page. So I'm using an iPhone. I don't know what the interface on Android phone is like, but if you look at the bottom here, the under bottom, you will see menu. Click on menu. Then when you click on menu, first you need to switch your account from your Facebook profile to your Facebook page. So what you need to do is to switch. So how do you switch? You go ahead and select the page, or use the shortcut here, this shortcut, or you select the page. Look at page here, click on pages, right? So I'm going to select the page because I manage more than one page. So I'm going to select the page I want to work with. So I'm going to be working with Z Plus. You pick the page that you want. I've picked Z Plus stores and switch to page, right? So once you do this, what you need to do next is to come back to menu here, click on menu, click on Z Plus stores. Click on Z Plus stores to actually access this. So this is your page now. What you need to do next, you click on view tools under advertise, right? This is your page. Click on view tools under advertise. I click on view tools. Then after that, you see this page, you scroll down. Now you see the tools, you see page access. Click on page access. So here you can select who you want to be the manager of your page. So I have people that are already manager. So what I will do next is to click on add new and select the person that you want. So you click on next. So you search for the person's name. Let's say I want to make this name the manager of this page. So what can this person do for me? This person can create, manage or delete contacts, delete post stories and all of that. The person can manage, can respond to messages and calls. This person can respond to comments, remove unwanted comments. This person can create ads. This person can look at the insight of your page. So if you allow this person to have full access, that means anyone that have full access, anyone you give access, full access to, can remove you from the page. That's why it's always nice you look at who you're giving your page access to. If you give full access, the person can remove you and take over your page. You can't get your page back. So since all I want to do is to create ad for this person, what you need to do, you don't need to turn on this pad, off it and give access. So with this, I can create ads. You can give the person access to create ads for you, right? So you put in your password, which I won't put my password because I don't want to continue. Click on confirm, and the person will receive a notification showing that they've been giving access. If the person accepts, then the person can run ads for you. If the person declines, the person won't have access to it. So that's how you make someone an admin on your page. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was helpful, just do well to like I said earlier, and drop a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful, and also any other video you will want me to create content around. All right, you can check out all of my YouTube videos until I come your way again. I'm Rachelnaabon. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and all of that at Rachelnaabon. See ya.